Hey Starseeds, so it's summertime and what a better way to quench your thirst with vegan raspberry popsicles. These are incredibly delicious and pretty healthy. So there's only a few ingredients in this recipe and all you need is your blender. So get out your blender, but before we head to the kitchen, don't forget that I am here every single week, freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So let's do it. So to your blender, you're going to add 1 cup of plant-based yogurt. Today, I'm actually using coconut yogurt, but you could totally use almond yogurt, soy yogurt, coconut yogurt, or any other plant-based yogurt of your choice. So now you're just going to take an organic lemon and you're going to use your hands if you wish, but I'm actually using this cute little device that makes my life easier. And I'm just going to squeeze all of that beautiful lemon juice out of the lemon and then measure out a tablespoon, because that's all we need for this recipe, and pop it into the blender. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of agave nectar here as a sweetener. You can use any kind of sweetener you like. I'm just really happy that I have agave on hand, as I really enjoy this more than any other sweetener. So you're just gonna pop that into the blender. You could totally use more than 1 tablespoon here if you want a super sweet popsicle. So now it's time to add in a 1/2 cup of your choice of berries. Today I'm gonna be using raspberries. You can totally use blueberries in this recipe. So just pop those in as well. And finally, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is real Madagascar vanilla extract. And guys, this just tastes amazing in every dessert. You don't want to skip this step. So now you're gonna give all of these ingredients a nice whiz until all of the ingredients are completely mixed together. That'll just take about 15 seconds, not long at all. And don't forget, you can use either frozen blueberries or raspberries here, or fresh blueberries or raspberries. It doesn't really make a difference. So once all that is blended up, you're gonna take your popsicle forms and you're just going to carefully place all of that popsicle goodness in there. And don't forget to add in your little popsicle sticks. So in the freezer, these go for about 2 to 3 hours until solid. So these make for the perfect summer treat, especially for children. If you don't want them eating a lot of dairy and sugar, especially those 2 things combined is, in my opinion, deadly. So these popsicles are just so refreshing and healthy, and full of nutrients and antioxidants actually, because of all of these lovely berries. So enjoy these on a hot summer's day and just feel good that you're eating in a healthy way, and your children are also eating in a healthy way as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can know every time I upload a video. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because I am here every single week, guys, freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. And lastly, if there are any videos that you guys want me to make, just leave a comment down below and let me know. I'd like to really know what you guys need in your lives, okay? Because that's why I'm here. I'm here to contribute to society and give information. So pop a comment down below and let me know. I'll see you guys next time for the next amazing plant-based recipe.